Hi, good evening to all. So today's model is the production to the collecting banker or the statutory production to collecting banker. It is an important topic of banking law and practice. So we will look at the meaning of a collecting banker. Collecting banker means it's a kind of a banker to collect the payment on behalf of a payee. It's called collecting banker. Let us understand through an example. Mr. X holds an account in Canara Bank. Mr. Y holds an account in SBI. So Mr. X which means the drawer issues a check on behalf of Y. So the Y's bank, which means the payee's bank collect the payment on behalf of Mr. Y. Here is the SBI bank is the collecting banker. The Canara Bank is a paying banker. The production provided by the Section 131 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 is not absolute but qualified. A collecting banker can claim production against a conversion if the following conditions are fulfilled. If following conditions are fulfilled, the collecting banker gets the production from the law. The first one is good faith and without negligence. Production is available when collecting banker receives payment in good faith and without negligence. When collecting banker receives the check or the payment in good faith and without negligence behavior, then only he can get the production. Good faith means honestly and without notice or interest of dishonesty or the fraud and does not necessarily require the carefulness. Good faith means honesty or the without or the lack of interest of dishonesty. Negligence means carefulness. So the collecting banker behaves in good faith and without negligence when we collect the payment. So negligence means failure to exercise a reasonable care. The banker should have exercised the reasonable care and diligence. So collecting banker should have exercised should have to be exercised without negligence when he collect the payment. Second one is collection for a customer. Production is available if a collecting banker collect on behalf of his customer only. Collecting banker deals if the collecting banker deals only with the authorized customer, then only he can get the production from the statutory body. If he collects for a stranger or non-customer, he does not get such production. In case he collects any payment from a stranger or non-customer, that time he cannot get production from the law. A bank cannot get a production when he collects a check as the holder for value. If the collecting banker acts as a holder, that time he cannot get the production. The next one is acts as an agent. The bank acts as an agent. Collecting banker must act as an agent in order to get production. Collecting banker acts some the agency function, that time only he can get the production. He must receive the payment as an agent and not as a holder under independent title. If he acts as a holder of value, that time he cannot get the production. The banker as a holder for value is not competent to claim protection from liability in conversion. As I have not told you now in previous point, this is the same point here also. If the banker acts as a holder, at that time he cannot get the protection from the statutory body. In case of a forgery, the holder for value is liable to the true owner of the check. If the forgery have happened, the forgery has happened, that time the banker acts as an banker was acted on holder. That time the banker pays the compensation to the true owner. He cannot get any protection from the law. The next one is the crossed checks. Statutory protection is available only in case of crossed checks. If the collecting banker deals with the crossed checks, that time only he can get the protection from the law. It's not available in case of uncrossed or open checks because there is no need to collect them through a banker. Because these kinds of checks, the collecting banker deals with them money through the counter. So then there is no point of the banker activities. There is no point of that and the transferring activities. If the collecting banker receives any kind of uncrossed or open checks, they will make the payment through the counter. Checks must be crossed period to presentment to the collecting banker for a clearance. So if the collecting banker gets the crossed check, then only they can clear the check. Thank you. Then that time also he can get the protection from the statutory body. Thank you. We will see you again with another session. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed. Bye.